What's going on? This is Charlie from Xclusive Autoworks, and today we're wrapping this Lamborghini Aventador. This is a full PPF, so the entire thing is getting covered, and it's a bit of a custom job because we're doing the rockers. The bottom half of it is going to be in Stek's Dyno Matte Black, as well as the back bumper. That's just something that the customer wanted, so we're going to do that for him. But everything else is going to be the regular clear, so we're going to get on that. For today's video, I am going to be wearing a GoPro on my head, so you can get a little bit of a POV. It'll be a cool, interesting, different angle compared to the other videos that we've done. So yeah, we're going to get right into it. just finished the Lamborghini Aventador, and I'm gonna do a little walk around right now of it. So this was full PPF, like I said, with black accents in some spots, so I'll go over that. But you can see the clear is all over. Looks really good. We got the mirrors done in the Stek matte black. So those look great. The roof was gloss black, Stek PPF. And this stuff's great because it looks like paint. The gloss is insane. Like you can see the reflection there from the lights. Insane. On the bottom, we did the rocker panels in matte black. And that is a custom cut right there at the end, because that is what the customer wanted. And on that upper part of the rocker, right here, that's done in clear. And you can see where they meet, can't even really see a seam. And lastly, for the black, we did this back part. So the license plate area and this upper part done in black. So you can see that. Wings covered, back here's covered. Actually had to cut it over here because this specific version of the Aventador, this is paint right here, and there's no like body line, it's just a hard paint line, so had to get that cut right at the edges. And yeah, this thing is done. So please leave a like if you did like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. That said, I'll catch you in the next one.